Hi everyone, my name is Muhammad Haziq Hakim, and in this video I want to give a simple briefing about how to use Kahoot especially for teacher. If you can see in my screen, this is the main interface of Kahoot.com that you can only search in the Google in your web. So if you already have the account, just log in, and if you don't have any Kahoot account, you can sign up in this Kahoot. So to sign up, just click the sign up button, but I already have the account, so I will log in my account that I have. So there are a few options to log in via Google, Microsoft, Apple and Clever, but I just use the Google because it's more easy to use Google. And after you log in the Kahoot, and you can see this is the interface that have been provided to you as a math teacher. So there are few features that you can see, such as discover, that you can find many quiz that have been provided by other creator. Next is library. Library is the section that you can see the content that have you been uploaded before this. Next is report. You can see the report about the progress of your student in your quiz that you have been provided. So next is group. Group is the section that you can create a group to make your student work in a group. So I will teach you on how to create a Kahoot course, a Kahoot trivia quiz and polls. So click the create, and you can see create a new Kahoot, and click create once again. So this is the interface that you can use to create your own quiz to your student, especially in maths, by using Kahoot. For example, this is the place that you can put your question. For me, I just put the example 2 plus x equals to 15, and this is the place that you can 2 plus x equal to 15, what is x? And this is the section that you can put your picture of your question, such as chart or many more. Next is the answer section. You can put your answer in this section. First answer is 10, second answer is 12, third answer is 13, and last answer is 5. So to choose the correct answer, you can tick at the circle place in the answer section. And that's all. And if you want to add many question or slide, just click on the left side and pick the question that you want, the type of question. There are many type of question you can see, just like puzzle, slider, type answer, quiz and audio, and also have poll that you can use. So for the second question, I just choose the true or false question. So for this question, I just put the question, example question. For example, 4 times 3 is equals to 16. Is it true or false? So in the section I click false. So that's all. So beside that, you can also put the title of your Kahoot quiz. Title for my quiz is example quiz, and you also can put description and many more settings that you can see, such as you can put the cover image for your quiz, and just click done, and your quiz have been saved. And you can also change the themes of your Kahoot question. There are many themes that has been provided in the Kahoot. For example, the desert or summer theme that can make your quiz become more interesting and colorful. If you done, just click save, and you can share with your you can test or play now or share with your student. Just copy the link, close, and just click done. And so you can share with your student about your question to your student answer it. And that's all from me about how to use Kahoot for teacher. Thank you.